One of the most popular names that comes up in mind after hearing the term hosting is undoubtedly Aditya Narayan. Soulful singer Udit Narayan's son Aditya has been hosting several shows since a very young age. He was currently hosting the 12th season of the popular singing reality show Indian Idol. But a shocking news has recently come forward that he has left the show midway. Yes, Aditya Narayan has quit the hosting of the show midway. But why did he leave the show, which was running so good? Did he fall out with the makers of the show? Or is it because of Neha Kakkar? Well, last week Aditya Narayan was absent from the sets of Indian Idol Season 12. Instead of him, Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia were spotted hosting the show. As soon as he was absent in the show, many speculations started doing rounds regarding Aditya quitting the show. Well, Aditya is definitely one of the most loved hosts of Indian TV industry, and his absence from the show has left everyone baffled. Many speculations suggested that he had creative differences with the makers and left the show. Another speculation suggested that he had a major fight with Neha Kakkar and decided to leave the show. But before you speculate anything more, let us tell you what has actually happened. Well, Aditya Narayan recently took his social media account to reveal the reason behind his absence in last week. Aditya has not quit the show at all. He will be back hosting the reality show again. Aditya suffered from gastrocnemius tear in his right calf, which was why he could not host the show. His friend Bharti Singh and Harsh Limbachia took over the hosting part of the show due to his absence. We, the team of Smoky Evening, wishes Aditya Narayan a speedy recovery. Whom do you like the most as the host of Indian Idol? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.